morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we are back again for another video review of some of the latest smartwatches in the market. So we have here very popular sport smartwatch from Zeblaze. So we have here the Zeblaze Ares. Okay, Ares. So it's a beautiful, sporty smartwatch. Looks like your classic, as you can see here, classic digital wristwatch. And this is brought to us by the Zeblaze. Again, if you want to get one, if you want to purchase this beautiful sporty smartwatch, then please check out the links below. This is from tomtop.com. Okay, so we have here very neat, simple packaging. So it shows here you can receive notifications, whether light, it is light and comfortable. We also have an alarm clock. Okay, so you also have a stopwatch here, long battery life, and it has a custom watch faces. So it is packed with health, exercise function, and sleep monitoring. So let's check. So this is black color, guess. So let's check. Let's have the unboxing. So model Ares. Okay, so contents here, the Ares smartwatch. We have a charging cable and the user manual. So it is compatible with the Android 4.4 and iOS 9.0. So let's check it out. Okay, let's check on the design. Okay, if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. So I'm very excited with this one. Seems like it's a very sporty, lightweight smartwatch. So we have here the smartwatch. Okay, so we have the charging cable, so magnetic again, and we have the user manual for the Ares. Again, if you are, I think this one, if you like outdoor sports, okay, especially if you are running, okay, mountain biking, I guess this is one of the best smartwatch to pick. Okay, you can see here, it looks nice, looks premium. Okay, let's try to check on the user manual here. So it is available in different languages here, and we have a lot of options. Let's go for the English version. Okay, so let's check. So we have the touch panel, so it supports touchscreen. Okay, and of course button operation. Okay, power on, power off. We have the QR code here. So it is using the Glory Fit app, compatible system Android 4.4 and iOS 9.0 with its Bluetooth 5.0 for connectivity. Okay, charging and activation. Okay, so far it looks good, and we have a lot of options here. Okay, let's check on the smartwatch. So it looks, I love it. Looks like the classic Casio smartwatch. Okay, but advanced and beautiful here. Let's remove it. So as you can see here, it is using the Glory Fit app. So water resistant, health and exercise. We have here the on and off. We have here the mode. Okay, let's have a closer look. So you have here, it's not a metal body but a PC material. It is light and durable. Okay, so Ares, we have here the sensor here. Okay, the charging connector. We have the strap here. Okay, proprietary strap, breathable design, flexible, and we have a steel metal enclosure. It looks nice. Looks like a very It looks like a smartwatch, really a smartwatch built for sport. Okay, again, let's admire the beauty of the Zeblaze Ares. Okay, I love the design, very sporty. Okay, I guess I'm going to wear it. This is going to be my new partner for mountain biking. Okay, so nice. It looks sporty, looks different. Okay, compared to other smartwatch with a sporty slash classic look. And if you are a fan of a classic digital wristwatch, this one is a good one to pick. Okay, let's check. So we have here a button. Okay, physical button here, PC material. So we have, let's check. So 3 water resistant, up to 380 m here, so 30 meters. Let's check if we still have a battery. Okay, seems like we don't. Okay, so there's still a battery. Nice. Okay, very bright display here, and confirm there's a touchscreen support. Nice full color screen display. Beautiful smartwatch. I think this is a very good outdoor smartwatch. Very lightweight. Beautiful partner for your outdoor activities. So let's check if we can search for the specs here. Zeblaze Ares specs. Search. So we have here, it's available already in different shopping site. So let's check. So we have here on our website. Okay, so it has an info here on the Zeblaze website. Also have here the Zeblaze Ares Smartwatch. So let's check on the specifications here. Okay, Zeblaze Ares. Again, it is available. The specifications for this one is available on smartwatchspecifications.com. So it has a processor here, RTC 8762C. We have 1.3 inch IPS LCD, 170 mAh battery. Okay, sensors here. So 33 grams only, very lightweight smartwatch. So it has a PC body, 240 by 240 pixel resolution with a full touchscreen support. Okay, so let's see. 33 grams. So we're going to update here. It says here. Okay, seems like we have a mistake. Touch type, no, I think there's a support for touch button screen. I guess the information that we got from a shopping site is wrong. It's also here clamp charging, but as you can see here, it has a magnetic charging cable, pogo pin, 380 m. So we have accelerometer, proximity sensor, heart rate, blood pressure monitoring. We'll check on that. So there's no speaker support and mic. So it is available in black, green, and red. So it is using the Glory Fit Support App, compatible with Android and iOS. Okay, so far we are pretty impressed with the smartwatch here. Okay, we have automatic monitoring, also have the graphs here. Okay, let's have a focus sleep monitoring. Okay, I guess this one, I don't know if this is weather or temperature. Okay, music control, and that's it. Okay, let's see here on the bottom part, so message notifications you can also receive. We have here the training. Okay, we'll check on that later. We have the status here for the automatic activity training. So there's also blood pressure, so it's confirmed. Okay, weather, music, message, okay, and other options here. So far, it's a beautiful design outdoor smartwatch from Zeblaze. It's pretty impressive with the design. I like it much better compared to other bulky outdoor smartwatch. So this one, it is really fit for outdoor activities, especially for cycling, hiking, or running, with its lightweight. And as you can see here, based on it has a very long battery life. We'll check on the specs again. Does it have a long battery life? Okay, is it stated here? So here, 5 to 7 days of usage, but with the standby time, I think it's much longer. Okay, so this one, it has been sent to us for almost a month already. Okay, due to the issues with the COVID, so it takes a while before we receive the smartwatch, but still, as you can see here, it is a battery life, and you have here the status here. Let me show it to you. Let's focus on the 75% battery life. Okay, again, I'm very positive. I have a positive review, okay, on the design of this wearable. I like it, especially if you are an outdoor person and you want an outdoor smartwatch. This one really is a very good one. Again, if you have any questions regarding the Zeblaze Ares Smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Bye.